Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You start by nailing a single clear concept so viewers instantly understand your story. Decide the emotion and the central subject, then frame a simple composition that reads small on phones. Once chosen, set 9:16 aspect ratio and select high contrast colors so thumbnails pop on dim lock screens. Make sure to prep a bold headline of 3-6 words and a focal crop area. This first step prevents rework later and keeps the visual hierarchy readable at tiny sizes. Now build the actual layout. Place your subject off-center to leave space for text, and use large, high-contrast typography so the headline reads at a glance. Once done, add a subtle vignette or drop shadow to separate subject from busy backgrounds and limit colors to 2 or 3 to avoid visual noise. Make sure icons and logos are scaled appropriately, and export at double resolution for clarity. This middle phase is where legibility and hierarchy carry the thumbnail's persuasive power. Finish by exporting a high-quality PNG or JPEG at 1080 by 1920, and also export at double resolution to ensure sharpness after compression. Preview on an actual phone lock screen and tweak brightness or contrast so the focal subject and headline remain clear. If compression or platform cropping ruins clarity, reopen the source, enlarge text, and simplify backgrounds. This troubleshooting tip usually fixes unreadable thumbnails quickly and keeps your story clickable under real-world conditions.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.